Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the McGinty AI NDDC Universal Media Compressor. It's a next generation compression tool that uses quantum technology and n-dimensional data processing. So let's just dive in and I'll show you what this futuristic compression tool can do. So first, take a look at the interface. At the top we have the McGinty AI branding and system status, showing that everything is operational over here. Then below that, we have three main tabs: the compression engine, the 4K media lab, and the NDDC function tuning. So let's start with the compression engine. So what we'll do first is we're going to run in here and we're going to upload a PDF file. So this is a 100-year analysis of AI. Great, we've uploaded it, and now notice how the system automatically detected the file type and displayed its size. So let's look at the settings panel. And here we can adjust the fractal dimension, which directly impacts our compression ratio. And we'll adjust it to about 8. And see how the theoretical compression ratio changes. At dimension 8, we're looking at approximately 32 to 1 compression. We can also look at quantum resources. So more qubits means more accurate compression, but might take longer. So we'll go up to, say, 200 qubits. Now let's run the compression, and you'll be able to see the processing as it runs right through. It's going through the phases in real time as it does a pipeline, it calculates the fractal dimensions, and then it applies the superposition mapping. So the compression is complete. On the right, we can see our statistics, including the achieved ratio of 36.8 to 1. Also the file size reduction and other technical details. This is massive. 4 to 1 right now is something that people strive for. So at 36.8 to 1, we're talking about massive reductions in data size and cost. Let's switch to the 4K Media Lab. Here we have 3 sample 4K videos to choose from. Let's select wildlife documentary. Now we can see a preview of the selected video, and then let's compress it using NDDC. The compression process for video is similar, but it's optimized for maintaining visual quality. Now we can see our compression results showing the impressive size reduction while maintaining 4K resolution and quality. So the original size was 1.7 gigs, and now we're back down to 47.3 megabytes. And finally, let's check the advanced settings in the NDDC Functions Tuning tab. This section is for power users who want the fine-grained control of the compression algorithm. Here you can adjust the fractal parameters and recursion depth, and also the self-similar factor. Here. At the bottom, you can see the advanced configurations in JSON so that you can save and reuse the batch processing for automation. So let's go back to the main tab and look at the visualization. The visualization shows you how data is projected into higher dimensions. The higher the dimension, the more dramatic the compression ratio becomes. Now that we've compressed a file, let's try decompressing it to verify its data integrity. You can see the process is reversed as it retrieves the projection and then reconstructs fractal patterns and collapses quantum superpositions. And there we have it. Our original file is fully restored with no data loss despite the massive compression ratio. So that concludes the demo of the Universal NDDC compressor. This compression technology showcases what might be possible in the future with advanced quantum computing and n-dimensional mathematics. Thanks for watching.